Wetlands are essential for biodiversity, and peat bogs store large amounts of CO2. Today, tens of thousands of hectares around Europe are being re-wetted in reconservation efforts.
This product makes inaccessible areas now accessible so that we can, in an active way, work with biodiversity.
LOGLOGIC, based in Devon, England, is an industry leader in low ground pressure tracked vehicles for use in nature conservation, agriculture, forestry and the utility industries. In 1998, LOGLOGIC was approached by a nature conservation organisation looking for machines to use on areas previously deemed inaccessible to heavy machinery. In response to this challenge, Marcus Frankpitt and his team developed a vehicle that can go where others cannot.
The big challenge we had was how do we make a machine that's light enough, low enough ground pressure, compact enough, at the right price to look after these nature reserves. They've been degrading over the last sort of 50, 100 years, ever since sort of we stopped using them in agriculture. We knew we could just about get out there with people. So we had to have a machine that was a lot lighter than you going out on foot.
In order to use less material and to make the vehicle lighter, the team used high-strength steels from day one, with galvanized components used for corrosive coastal environments. The same design and construction using ordinary steel qualities would have weighed 30% more.
We go to SSAB, we say, right, we need a very low ground pressure machine, very high strength, low weight materials. And SSAB say, right, we have our strength materials, we have our hardox materials. They go together to produce a very lightweight, strong, robust machine that is perfect for us.
SoftTrack was initially developed for moving men and equipment and for nature conservation. But over the years, it has developed into a multi-purpose tool carrier with a range of attachments. Cut and collect systems, mowers, mulchers, chippers, stump grinders, cranes, winches, and more. SoftTrack is the only series-made vehicle of its kind. Nearly 200 of these low-impact machines are busy at work throughout the world. The use of high-strength steel makes them not only light and well-balanced, they are also tough as nails.
The SoftTrack really comes into its own. You can drive 10 miles across a bog and you come back and you cannot see where you've been. And that's unique, really, in what we do.
Throughout the year, except for during bird nesting season, SoftTrack vehicles are busy at work in wetlands throughout Europe, the Americas and more, restoring sensitive habitats and saving tens of thousands of tons of CO2 every year.
CO2 reduction is important to us. Steel is the most abundant material on Earth, nearly. And if that's not recyclable, I don't know what is. And if we can get a fossil-free, then we're home and dry.
Finding the right balance between functionality needed and as low weight as possible, this is what LOGLOGIC has been doing in an excellent way. They've utilized a strong steel to create a very gentle machine.